Hey, it's Mike from Risco Music, and let's talk about the major pentatonic scale. Let's take the key of G. Here are some G's here. G, G, and G. Now, for minor pentatonic, which everybody typically starts with, we use form 1 right here. And I'm noticing where my roots are. Right, roots. All we do for major pentatonic is we start with form 2, right in that same spot. Starting on G, and I play this one. And when I improvise and phrase, I look for my roots as a starting point, remember. That'll make it sound more like G. If I go to my next form, which is here, starting on the note A, here's my G root, right? There's my G again. I'm going to keep going across. Here's the next form. There's my root. Roots. Next one. There's my root. Roots. And the last one is here. Again, same as E minor pentatonic, but we're using it as G major. It's all about the phrasing. That's my root now. That's now my root. And that's my root. And that's all you got to do. Visit us at riscomusic.com.